Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get mods for Minecraft Java and Minecraft Bedrock Edition. My reasoning for this is I've had a few friends who don't know how to get mods and they want to. Also, when I was trying to get mods a long time ago, I was confused, and so I thought it might be useful to make a video that shows in detail exactly what to do so that y'all know. Hopefully this goes well. Hopefully audio is recorded this time. Yeah, let's give it a shot. So you're going to want to open up your browser. This is mine. I use Opera GX. I am not sponsored by anyone, don't worry. I'm not popular enough. So yeah, you want to open up your browser and you want to go to the search bar and you want to type in Curseforge.com. This is for Minecraft Java Edition, by the way. Once you're in Curseforge, this is what it looks like. You want to scroll down and there should be a thing that says check out Curseforge desktop app. You want to go ahead and click download app. If you click on more download options, you can choose between Linux, Mac, and Windows. I'm on Windows. You can download the standalone. I typically use Overwolf, so if you download it on Overwolf, it will open up this, and then you just click save, and if you run the program, it should install. Now, once you've downloaded Overwolf, or once you've downloaded it, you'll see Overwolf and Curseforge. If you open up Curseforge, this is what it should look like. You should have a few games. The games that you have, I believe, should say installed. Here is Minecraft Java Edition. So if I click on this, it'll take me here. Before we get into this, I'm going to go over settings. So whenever you click on the settings icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, there are a few settings. If you click on Curseforge, you can choose what happens when it's closed. You can choose your date format. I'm American, so month goes first for whatever reason. You can choose if it runs on startup. If you go to add-ons, you can choose how many downloads there are. I'll show you what this is in just a moment. The backup space, how much storage are you allocating, are you giving for backups, and then also the application content path. So like where your mods are stored and all your profiles. Languages, if you're other than English, then you can go here. In themes, this is new. You need premium to do this. Privacy, this is just privacy stuff. And in advanced, I don't exactly know what this does. Set the number of game mod files scan jobs. So I guess just like when it scans them. And if you go into game specific, you can go to Minecraft, and this is the Minecraft modding folder. Then the preferred release, so you can set this to alpha, beta, or release. So it's the version of the mod. This allows you to customize your in-game Minecraft experience from here without having to open up Minecraft. You can use your desktop resolution or set a custom one. You can close the launcher. I keep it open when the game starts. And this is the allocated memory. So this is how much memory your computer is setting aside whenever you play a mod. The higher, the more memory. The lower, the less memory. Now let's get into this. So these are all different mods. If I go into Create Thermodynamics Plus, or Create Thermal Mechanics Plus, this is my mod pack. I have 240 mods in here. Doesn't work at the moment because I need more RAM. But also, if you're like just allocate more memory, I am allocating the max. So yeah, can't really do that. But this is basically how it works. You have actions. This is if there's updates. active. So actions allow you to update or delete packs, and active shows you which mods are active. You can turn mods off by clicking this. Also, if you click on one of these, you can sort by different things, by different filters. Now, how do you make a file or one of these? Well, you can go to Create Custom Profile. You can name this whatever. Nope. You can choose your Minecraft version. We're going to go into 1.19.2 because that's the version I use most. And then we're going to go into Forge, and we're just going to set this to the max, just to be safe. Whenever you click Create, it will start creating your profile. Created it quite quickly there. Now, here's a few things about this. If you click on the three dots, you can have Play, Add More Content, and Open Folder. Whenever you click Open Folder, this is the profile folder. So you have the mods, and this is where we will be and this is where mods will appear. You have profile options, so you can allow content management. This basically means, do you want to be able to delete, turn off, update your different mods, and then use system memory, so you can choose how much memory, or you can just go by what you've set. This allows you to change the Forge version if you want to, and then the preferred release type. To add mods, there are three ways that you can do this. First of which, if you see this little puzzle piece icon, that's Add More Content. If you click this, and then you can search by what mods you want. I'm just going to download JEI. So you just click Install, and it installs. Whenever you click the X, it's right there. You can turn it off, you can delete it, or if it has an update, you can update it. So that's one way. The next way is to go into the Curseforge website. You can go to Minecraft, right here. This is Java Edition. Then you can search, or we're just going to choose a category. I want to do mods, specifically. I'm going to get Create. This is a Minecraft mod that people have seen, that I love. It's my favorite mod. So here's how this works. You have the description. So this basically just tells you about the mod and stuff about it. There's images. This one does not have images. And then there's files. These are all the different files for Create. This has all the different versions. Over here on the right, you can see that there's game versions. We're in Minecraft 1.19.2, so we're going to select that to filter. This is the newest for 1.19.2. Click this three dots, and then you have two things. Let's say you click Install with the Curseforge app. This will pop up, Open with Curseforge. Click Open. Now you can select a profile or create a profile. We're going to select a profile and then just choose your profile. I named mine Hello, so I'm going to choose this and then click Install. And boom, Create has popped up there. The third way that you can install a file, we're going to go back here. We're going to choose a different mod. We're going to type in build, and we're going to get building gadgets. This is a mod that I sometimes use. And make sure you go to Files, filter by your version, and then click the three dots on the newest one, and then you can click Download File. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this to our downloads. So this here is Building Gadgets. It's an executable jar file. If you click Save, it will download it. Now, we go ahead and we're just going to open up Downloads. So this is the there. So this is the Downloads folder. Now we can go into here, click the 3 dots, and then click Open Folder. We can go ahead and put this in the over there, and then we can put our downloads there. And now we just double click on mods. You can see that JEI and Create are already in there. So we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop building gadgets. After that, you will see building gadgets is put in there. It's automatically in there. Now, doing it this way is a bit more tedious, but just in case Curseforge doesn't work or the app or whatever, this is one way to do it. There's one other thing I want to show you before we move on to Bedrock Edition, and that's installing Optifine. So I already have it on here, but if you go to optifine.net/home, it will take you to this website. Yeah, so you can find this website. I'll put all these websites in the description if you want to visit them. You can then go to Downloads. You can show all versions, and then find your version. We are in 1.19.2, so we're going to click this download button for 1.19.2. You might have something pop up on your screen here. What you really want to be focusing on is the please wait blank seconds, because don't click anything on here because it's most likely false. What you really want to do is click this little skip button, because this is an ad, and I've had one where it's tried to trick me. It's given me like, you have 10 viruses, click here to clean them, and then it tries to download a executable file, and yeah, that's a virus. Don't do that. So click the skip button and then download your file. Instead of being named something weird, not only will it be named Optifine with your version, but it will be a jar file, not an exe file. So now we can go to downloads and we can click save. That will download it. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and bring this. We can go ahead and open up our 2 folders. So we have this one with the mods, and then we have this one with our downloads. We can go ahead and drag and drop Optifine into here. Optifine is put in. I don't believe Optifine shows in here for whatever reason, but I believe it does. It is in there. And now that we've done that, all of our mods are good. Now what we can do is we can click this little play button. This will launch Minecraft. Mine opens in my other monitor for whatever reason, so we just gotta drag that over. And then what you'll notice at the bottom, it says hello, and it has a little furnace. So you can actually customize this by going to edit. You can customize this exactly to what you want. But this is the modded version. This is the latest release. This is the modded version. You'll see it says Forge 43.3.9, or whatever your Forge version is. If you use Fabric, it should say Fabric, and if you use Quilt, it should say Quilt. Or if you use Vanilla, it should say Vanilla. I've really only ever used Forge and Fabric though, so don't take my word on that. Then you can just click this play button. Click I understand. This is just warning you this is a modded version of Minecraft, doesn't support everything. So click I understand and then click play and then wait for it to load. Minecraft will start loading. Depending on how many mods you have, this will show like a forge icon as it forges or as it loads through all the mods. Or it might take a while to load, so just wait. Give it like 5-10 minutes. If it doesn't load by then, you can try again or figure out what's wrong. If there's an error, it'll pop up with a dirt screen, a dirt background, and it'll tell you which mods are causing a conflict. There are 2 things you can do about this. Try loading the mod again, and if it still pops up with the same mods, take a look at them. Maybe they need an update. Maybe you need to downgrade them. Or maybe they're just broken. And so you need to fix them. But let's go ahead and so yeah, this is our mod. If you want to customize any of these, you can click this for create. If you want to customize Optifine, you can go to Controls, Keybinds, and if you scroll all the way down to where it shows miscellaneous, and then I just set this to button 5 because that's on my mouse. So I'm able to zoom in using my mouse. So that's basically what that is. Dynamic lights is basically whenever you hold a torch. Yeah, here you go. Dynamic lights enables light-emitting objects, torch, glowstone, etc., to illuminate everything around them when held in the hand, equipped by another player, or dropped on the ground. So that's essentially what that is. This also adds a few other things. You can get shaders. You can change details, animations, quality, performance, other, dynamic FOV. I think that's already in there. Some of this stuff just really helps with your frames if you're like me and you have a crappy ass computer. So there's one more thing I want to show you. If you click up here and browse, you can download mod packs, which is essentially what this is. Insane Craft, Create Above and Beyond, Create Plus. Those are all mod packs, all in one Create. So you can just click on this, click install, and it'll download here, then you can play it. That's basically how to get mods for Minecraft Java Edition. Now I'm going to go over and show you how to get mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So there's multiple ways you can do this. If you go back to the Curseforge app, or not app, if you go back to the website, you can click View All, scroll down, and you'll see Minecraft Bedrock. Now this does not have as many mods, but if you just click on this and then click Download, it'll download into, it'll be turned into an MC pack, and it'll be put in your Downloads folder, and then you can just double click it and it'll open. And if it's the right version or if it's compatible, it'll work perfectly fine with no issues. But I'm going to show you the way that I use, and probably many other people. So I already have this, but if you go to MCPEDL.com, this is a website with mods. If you click on mods and click on add-ons, these are all the different mods. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and get better on Bedrock. One of my friends wants me, or should I get this? This is how I got the more mod on Minecraft for my series. So actually, yeah, let's do that. So whenever you find a profile, more ores, you just click on it, and it'll give you a bit of a description, maybe some things about it. If you scroll down, it'll tell you it'll show you how to install it, and there's this downloads. So basically border will give the ores borders. Let's start with vanilla. This is the resource pack. We're gonna go ahead and click this link. This will take us somewhere. Verify I'm human. You might not have to do that part, but I'm on computer. So basically, it has you get an ad. If you click watch ad and then visit page. So basically, it'll show you an ads, and you can click see it. Click I'm not a robot, and that should count. Yeah, unlock process 1 out of 1. So you don't really have to do anything too bad. You just have to do that. Go to here and then download your file. Do not do what I just did. This says downloadready.exe. This is a virus. Do not do that. You see here how it says your file is ready to download. If you click download, it downloads a downloadready.exe. This is an executable file. This is a virus. Do not download this. Click cancel. Click this X button and click the unlock content again. This will take you to Mediafire, which is where the actual download is. When the download is ready, you'll see it opens more ores resource pack vanilla.mc add-on. If it says .exe and you're downloading an add-on, do not download it or run it. Delete it immediately. This one is safe. It's an MC add-on. Do the same thing with the behavior pack. Click here. Click to watch a dumb ad. Whatever. I'm not a robot, I'm a human. And then that counts. Never mind. There we go. So don't close out of the thing just yet. You gotta go back. Unlock content. Click on this. This one will actually download what I want because I haven't fallen for its scam yet. You can see it's a MC add-on, so it's safe. This is just trying to get your money. So you can see both of these are downloaded. Now I'm going to head into Files, Downloads, and I don't really need these, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. Then we just double click the MC add-on. It'll launch Minecraft. So Minecraft is loading. This is for Bedrock Edition. And then here, import started. Successful. So that was successful. So now we can do the same thing here. We can download our behavior pack, and it was successful, and so that is how you do that. Yeah, but that's basically all I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's how to download mods for both Java and Bedrock. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. If you have and you want to see more, be sure to hit that like button. If you're new to my channel and are enjoying my content, thank you. And hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot. Do want to point out one thing. Yes, I am aware that I have not uploaded in 7 months. Editing takes a lot. I mean, this video right now is 40 minutes long. It'll probably be closer to 25, but I'm also a perfectionist, so I have to get everything perfect down to the smallest detail. So it just takes a lot to edit. So if I don't upload for a little bit, that's why. I have not disappeared yet. I'll most likely post something that says I'm done, but I don't want to just yet. I like recording. I just hate editing. Also, one of my friends has said that they want to try to give me try to be like a thumbnail maker. I like my current thumbnails. I mean, this is my favorite, the floating torch. But he said that he wanted to try to make a thumbnail for me. So I thought, why not? So I'll probably have him make a thumbnail for this video. We'll see. You'll probably be able to tell if it's made by me or him. But yeah, thank you guys. So if I don't upload for a little bit, that's why. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed and want to see more, be sure to hit that like button. I already said all this. Have a safe and fantastic day. I'll catch you guys in another video. See ya.